When P. Diddy said he wasn't afraid of clowns on The Ellen Show, Ellen scared him and proved him wrong.
You can be scared. I have so many other things to be fearful of. A clown is not going to scare me. Really? Yes. I'm not afraid of clowns.
But I heard that you were.
This contestant on a reality TV show had a really strange laugh. When this reporter's earpiece wasn't working, a worker tried to help make it work by licking her ear.
Sound check, sound check, sound check, sound check. Sound check, Madison Brooks reporting I'm not getting any sound. What the hell ear was? Did you just lick my ear? It works. What the? Ew! Going live. Sound check good.
A dog owner thought she trained her dog to be a vegetarian, but during live TV, her dog went to the food that contained meat and proved her wrong.
Right, let her go.
Let her go. Oh, she's obviously gonna go up a snake. Oh, you little...
Yes.
I didn't swear.
And there is natural selection.
Oh, no. She's taking it out. Well, in fairness, the weather has cooled down.
Yes, of course it has. Yes, but look, this is a dog acting naturally, I think.
During a concert, Katy Perry was caught fake playing a recorder to the music that was playing in the background. This fisherman on live TV was supposed to catch a fish, but he accidentally caught a bird instead.
And it's count. There we go.
You got a duck.
I got a bird. I got a bird. I got a...
Oh no. Oh no.
I'd go to another shot.
Okay, stop now. That's enough. Well, that didn't end well, did it?
This woman broke a champagne bottle in half while she was trying to teach the audience how to open one while using a knife.
Okay.
Okay,
Ready,
so you go 1, 2. That
Didn't work.
not how it's supposed to be done. Okay, well,
A disaster occurred when this host tried to demonstrate how to make cheese snacks but lit the food on fire.
Oh yeah.
let me do. Bam. Det sagt sådär. Det kommer att brandlarmet kommer ju börja gå. Nej men gud. Det här är ju farligt. Så.
During an awards show, Sacha Baron Cohen accidentally pushed an old lady that was in a wheelchair off of the stage.
Anyway, tonight it's not about her. It's about me.
This news anchor lost her tooth when she was live. She then continued as if nothing happened. On the TV show Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, the host mistakenly said the wrong answer was correct.
I will slightly hesitantly go the final.
Anyway, tonight it's not about her. It's about me.
This news anchor lost her tooth when she was live. She then continued as if nothing happened. On the TV show Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, the host mistakenly said the wrong answer was correct.
I will slightly hesitantly go the final answer. You know, so
I'm not even going to look at the screen. That's the correct answer. isn't. What? It is a deer. Is it not a deer?
During a concert, this singer had a really embarrassing wardrobe malfunction. When a martial arts expert was on TV, the host of the show exposed the expert for using fake bricks by mistake.
That's incredible. Wait, and to be honest, I actually felt these bricks. These are real bricks. I mean, there's no joke. Oh! Wow! Check it out, baby. Guns.
Guns! How the hell did you do that?
Okay.
An audience member on the Steve Harvey Show was called to the stage and danced really awkwardly. When a reporter tried to ask Cristiano Ronaldo a question, Cristiano did this.
Ronaldo, preparado para este jogo hoje?
During a talk show, a guest leaned back too far and then fell off of his chair. When the actor Jennifer Gardner tried to correct Conan's vocabulary, he proved her wrong and made her look bad.
Wait, there's a time when you snuck into the room to see what the...
I sneaked into the room. Snuck isn't a word, Conan, and you went to Harvard and you should know that.
Snuck! Past and past part of sneak!
During an interview, someone that was in the background fell off of the treadmill and nobody seemed to care.
Explosivity. That's what sprinting's all about. So a lot of that's genetically predetermined, of course. And it's a natural thing, of course. I mean, I could work out all day, and obviously I'm an ex-athlete myself. But I'm never gonna...
Former Miss France, Lori Tillman, fell off the pole when she was showing off her dance moves. During an interview, this soccer player accidentally thanked his girlfriend after thanking his wife.
So, thank you very much for